Big story breaking at this hour. Donald Trump, American president, declaring Israel-Iran ceasefire. In effect, asserts, please do not violate ceasefire. A ceasefire is now in effect. Please do not violate it, is what he said. Donald Trump, president of the United States. That's how he signed it off. It's a message essentially on Truth Social where he speaks about how the ceasefire is now in effect. But you know, Shivani, you put it rightly just a few moments ago, is that the uncertainty continues, isn't it, in spite of this?
Sneha, this is a big question at the
Yes.
moment that needs to be answered only by Israel, what it chooses to do after what has been done in the morning. But yes, this message coming in from United States President Donald Trump. In fact, this happens to be the second message on ceasefire since last 5 hours or so, where he has declared. First, he had declared the ceasefire. Now he's put that message again in bold letters. That means a lot of emphasis he's put that please do not violate it. There is also a warning because he says this is a warning coming from United States President Donald Trump. So that emphasis on from where this message is coming, that capital letter messaging, that a lot of emphasis is there that the ceasefire is at place, do not violate it. But we have to see what is the reaction of Iran after this second message on ceasefire. Because, you know, after the first message from Trump, there was a missile salvo launched across Israel by Iran. This was high intensity damage that was inflicted at Beersheba, where at least three people lost their lives and dozens were injured. There were attacks in the cities like Negev in Israel. Many other cities have been inflicted with certain damages today morning because this was the longest and most frequent missile salvos that were being fired in a matter of 2 hours. So now, when this message has come again from United States President Donald Trump, Sneha, we have to wait and watch what is the reaction of Iran on this. Will there be again a launch of missiles, or they are in tandem with the United States? They are agreeing to the ceasefire, or they are going to violate it once again? What is Israel going to do? Because we have been waiting for Israel's statement, especially on its stand after the missiles have been launched in the morning. It has been giving out alerts and signals to the people of Israel to remain safe. But what is the diplomatic stand?
Yes.
What, as a country, Israel is deciding after these missiles were launched in the morning? That is very important to understand. Only then we can decide whether this is a ceasefire.
All right, Shivani getting in those details.